Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make our Windows 10 or Windows 11 faster. And please do finish watching this video because I will share only one tip on how you can do that. So let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to open our Windows search tab, and there we need to type for storage. So the moment we do that, you will see under best match the storage settings. So please click on that and you will see this window here. So we have here the installed apps, other people, other temporary files and videos. And we will look for the storage management section, this one. So once you're in there, please go click on storage since it automatically free up your space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So once you found it, please click on it. And in here, you will see cleanup of temporary files. So please make sure that this option that says keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files is always checked. So please make sure that you select this one. And automatic user content cleanup is also checked. So storage sense runs based on the frequency you choose here. So we clean up 359 MB of space in the past month. So the last run is yesterday, March 28, 2025, 9:45 a.m. So in here, we can configure cleanup schedules. So we can choose for how often we run storage sense by just clicking this drop down button here. We can choose every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space. So this is by default. So I can select here every week, and then we can also choose for the how often we delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, I choose here 14 days. So by default we have 30 days. I will select the default option. Delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than, okay, so I have selected also here the default option. So just make sure that you selected this button here, that you check this one, the keep Windows running, and if you did that, just please make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.